stuff right now.
We're here, going in.
I like those. I like them.
You want to go first?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Entertainment. So the cafe bar's just in there. And we're heading right to the bottom. Oh yeah, cafe and bar. And this is your cafe and bar. Welcome to breakfast.
I wanted to have a superhero.
You got a birthday balloon for Lil.
I just really wanted to have a superhero outfit on.
There's your menu.
I really wanted to have a superhero.
Oh, they probably got this on a on the app, haven't they?
Oh, we got some clothes, that's good.
Hey Annie.
Traditional breakfast.
What are we having for breakfast?
I don't think two.
So now, here's Rory.
It's okay, I'll hold her. I'll protect her. Why are you hiding her? Because Rory grabbed it and threw it.
Last time they saw her. Your hair looks cute now.
Guys, you ready?
Hello. Good morning.
How are we doing?
You very well. You okay?
Okay.
Good.
What is he doing?
Last time, Rory, you stole Jaz and did a runner. So, it's Lili's birthday.
Wow, we got the blue. It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Wow, happy birthday. Would you like a photo with Rory?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, everybody get in there. Come on then. Are you ready?
What's your pose, Lee? And Lili? Birthday girl?
There you go.
Beautiful.
Thank you. No, we're here till Friday.
They're here till Friday. Look at that. Wow, we will see you tonight then.
See you later.
Go this way, Rory. Let's do it.
Oh yeah. He's got no peripheral vision.
Drinks.
And an orange juice.
Thank you very much.
Because it's concentrated, so it's different.
Dad, I think I know why he stole one last time.
Why?
Because he thought he was cool.
Hello, Rory.
They're both fine.
So you got a big breakfast.
Yeah.
You got kids' breakfast, pancakes and bacon.
I don't know. That's so good.
Looks nice.
Just enjoying two breakfasts while I have none. We could call them that need the clocks changing.
And I got a baby breakfast while someone has the big one. Right, Lil. Play your balloon. Come on then. Mum put on the notes it was your birthday, so you got a balloon. So in the notes on the Haven server, put in his birthday, they might give you a surprise. Happy birthday!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!